Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. So we're flying to Delhi and like you all can see I'm totally equipped to travel in this corona times and I will keep you all updated.
My in-flight meal was literally a hamper with some chips, nutcrackers, Lays, cookies, Coke, some more Lays, Maaza, etc. etc. Y'all can also order a normal meal just in case. Delhi roads are so well maintained and beautiful with 100% electric shuttle buses connecting most of the places.
Hi guys, day 2 in Delhi and today we are heading out to the Arya Samaj with my Nana ji. And it's going to be a fun day because we've planned out quite a few things to spend time with him, and come along with me and experience it. So after the religious morning, now we're heading to Center Market and Sarojini Nagar, two of the most famous places in Delhi to shop for. And with me I have my Masi. I have like 4 Masis. She's the third one. Yes, her name is third in my Masi's number. She's Monu Masi. And with me also is my cousin brother, hi, Dave. And the driver, he's new. Yeah, so I'll show you all around and let's see. Very nice shop. आपकी शॉप का नाम क्या है? शॉप नंबर 80 है। शॉप नंबर 80 ये ड्राई फ्रूट के साथ। शॉप नंबर 80 सिंधी ड्राई फ्रूट के साथ। Thank you.
This is the amount of shopping already
Now
done.
we plan to go to Sarojini Nagar. So see you all in Sarojini. Finally done, crazy tired, and now we have stopped at this restaurant which is called Amar Jyoti restaurant, and we're trying a couple of things like paneer gravy fried momos and chicken gravy fried momos. I don't know how it's going to be. We're going to parcel it because we don't want to sit here. We've been exposed to like 10 times, 100 times of corona. I don't know how many times of corona. And since it's not safe, we've been advised to like just take a parcel and quickly rush out of here. And I think you should avoid this place on Sunday because it's packed. So yeah, so I'll show you all what we got in another video wherein I'll do my Sarojini and Center Market try-on haul. Look at these amazing paneer. क्या था नाम? Paneer corn gravy fried momos from Amar Jyoti restaurant. And they're super yummy and super delicious. You must try if you're traveling to Sarojini Nagar.
This is a sneak peek into our Nani house morning and evening routine of prayers.
सुखी हो कोई Namo Dukhai.
Ready and set to show you how buildings in Delhi have actually set up this sponge full of toothpicks to avoid touching lift button.
Day 3 and we are all heading towards a family dinner at my cousin's place, and this time I'm going with my mom and Nanaji. Nanaji, namaste.
Namaste.
Namaste. And that's it.
After a wonderful evening yesterday, I met my Bua and cousins. Here's a small clip from there.
अब उसको दे देना, नहीं तो वो बेचारा
हंसना भी जरूरी है जीने के लिए.
So we have set up a YouTube channel for my Nanaji, which has some amazing content on motivation and life lessons. If your grandparents are also looking out for similar content, please do not forget to subscribe to his channel. It was wonderful to be a part of helping him make videos and then watch that joy and sense of achievement he felt when he saw those videos.
Welcome to our first ever battery rickshaw ride, and it's so airy and breezy, and let me show you around. Sorry for the movement.
After all the shopping, religious activities, and above all, creating beautiful memories with my Nanaji, it's now time to go. Even while dropping, my Nanaji made sure he gave me a Delhi token, of course from outside due to Corona. He showed me India Gate, Connaught Place, a few more famous markets here and there until I reached the airport.
So guys, done with my check-in. It was such a bad check-in because I was like overweight, and I was not only overweight by like 8 kgs. I thought I was overweight by 8 kgs, but actually I was overweight by 13 to 15 kgs because now they started including the laptop bag. So I had to pay money in order to like get out. So anyways, back to Bombay. See y'all. Bye bye.
So if you like this video, or if this video touched your heart somewhere, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to follow me on Instagram, and let's grow this family. Till then, stay home, stay safe and keep watching. Bye bye.